Okay, so with this year being the celebration of the centenary of Dylan Thomas, there's a lot of Dylan Thomas's work out there at the moment. So I think what makes this production different is, as I said earlier, it's not the language that I'm focusing on. It's trying to define the characters that are born from his imagination. I mean, there's so much emphasis on the texture of his language and the words, the made-up words that he had. I was a lot more interested in the characterization of the characters that were born from his imagination rather than the language. So I think, especially because we need to try and re-engage young people with his work, it's trying to identify those young boys in our world today, I guess. So I guess that's the access point for us, and hopefully what will give this whole production a different texture and a more contemporary feel.